This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal logs. These digital records offer a comprehensive overview of your financial interactions, capturing every payment sent or received. They are incredibly useful for maintaining a clear picture of your spending and income, helping you verify transactions or even prepare for financial reviews. Knowing how to navigate these logs gives you valuable insight into your account history and ensures greater financial clarity. To access your transaction history, first log into your PayPal account securely. Once inside, you will find the Activity tab prominently displayed on your dashboard. Click on this to proceed. Here, you can view all recent transactions, with options to filter by date, transaction type, or even the name of the sender or recipient. For example, you can easily look up payments made within the last 90 days or even a specific 6-month period. Once you have located a specific transaction, understanding its details is key. Each entry displays a unique transaction identification number, the exact date and time of the event, and the precise amount involved. Furthermore, the transaction status, such as completed, pending, or refunded, provides immediate insight into the payment's current standing. Carefully reviewing these elements ensures you grasp the full context of every financial movement. Should you encounter an issue, these logs are invaluable for dispute resolution. If you believe a transaction is unauthorized or incorrect, your detailed PayPal log entries provide concrete evidence. Compile all pertinent records, including transaction identification numbers and dates, to present a clear case. This organized information significantly strengthens your claim when you contact PayPal customer service, especially within their standard dispute window of 180 days from the transaction date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.